Hi guys, this is Gayatri Somya. Today my topic is about keys in DBMS. First of all, what is meant by key? Here, key plays an important role to represent different or similar types of attributes. So, first, there are different types of keys are there. First one, primary key, candidate key, super key, foreign key, and composite key. We will discuss all of these types. Second, uh, first one, primary key. Primary key. Here, primary key is nothing but which is which attribute have unique values in there. Let us see with an example. So, so this is our table. Here, let us take a employee table. So, employee has employee ID and employee name and employee salary, employee, employee salary, employee phone number, employee P number means phone number, employee license number. Okay. So if we see here, employee ID is a main primary key. Why? Because if employee ID must and should for each and every employee have to be unique, right? If I have 501 and you will have 502, not 501, right? So here employee ID is our primary key. So here employee number is our primary key, right? Primary key is nothing but attribute having unique values, right? Employee ID must and should be each and every employee must and should their unique ID values, right? So in our table, employee table, EID is our primary key. Next, we will see candidate key. Candidate key. Candidate key. Candidate key is nothing but uh, except the primary key, remaining all or candidate keys. And these candidate keys also should be unique values, right? These candidate keys also have unique should be unique values. If we see here, e-name, if we take an employee name and is it unique? No, right? If there will be a chance of two employees have same name, right? So e-name is not unique value, right? And employee salary. If we take employee salary, then it should also I think if one employee there having salary of the 30,000 and another employee there having, we can say, right, both the employees have same salaries, so it is also not unique attribute, right? If you take employee phone number, employee phone number must and should be unique, right? If uh, one employee is there and another employee is there, both employees didn't don't have same number. So employee phone number, it will be unique, right? This is unique. If we take employee license number also, it will be also unique. License number is also for each and every employee or every person, phone number and license number must and should be different, right? So it is also employee license number also unique. So we can say these both attributes, employee phone number and employee license number, or must and should unique, right? So these both are candidate keys. Okay, this is what primary key and candidate key. Primary key is unique only, but uh, it was given by their employee department, right? So it will be primary key. Except the primary key, remaining all unique attributes are called as candidate key. This is what primary key and candidate key. Next, we will discuss super key. Here, super key is nothing but, let us take an example of a table. So this is our table. Let us this attribute be roll number. Let us take a student table. Okay, it will be roll number of student. It will be name of the student. That will be the roll numbers of the student will be 501, 502, 503, right? And let will be the student names as A, 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 right? So here each and every student name is A, right? Well, by using roll number, we can differentiate these three students, right? We can differentiate by using roll number. Super key is nothing but differentiating things or persons, anything. Super key is used to differentiate same qualities of keys. So here roll number is our super key. This is what super key. Super key is nothing but differentiating same values of a name. So have a seen here, name of three students are same. But how can we differentiate these three students? By using roll number, we can differentiate these three students, right? So here our roll number will be super key. This is what super key. Now let us explain about foreign key. Foreign key is nothing but accessing one attribute from before already made a table, right? So let us take an example. It will be very easy to you, right? So let us take this table as student, and let us take this table as department. Okay, this is department and this is student, right? Uh, Here we take example. Student have attributes like roll number and name and section and department ID, right? In department, we have an attributes like department ID and department name. Okay, these are our attributes of student and department. Here, if we see in department, if we consider department, department name will be is not unique, right? Department name is not unique for all departments. There is a department of CSC, EC, right? So department name is not unique, right? So here department ID is our primary key. So here department ID is primary key. We are accessing this department ID from student table, right? So here this department, student ID, department ID. In student, the department ID is foreign key, right? In student, the department ID is foreign key. Why? Because we are accessing this department ID to the table of department table, right? So, by accessing this foreign key to department table, then in department table, department ID will be our primary key, right? This is what foreign key. Foreign key is nothing but accessing the attribute from one table to already already made table. Accessing and we are inserting that attribute in our new table, right? This is what foreign key. Next, we will see about the composite key. Here, if we see here, here if we see here, this is the table of employee, and here employee has attributes as employee ID and employee name and password ID and employee salary. So here employee name is not unique, right? And different employees have different names, but there is a chance for two employees have same name or three employees have same name. So employee name is not a unique value, and if we see employee ID is unique, right? Each and employee have different ID, and the password ID is also different, right? If e-salary, if we take an e-salary, e-salary is not unique. Uh, two employees have same ID, right? If we see here, so composite key is nothing but combining these all attributes, we can get a unique value. Then we can differentiate each and every employee by the unique value like composite key. By combining this EID and E name, by combining this EID and E name, these all we can By combining this EID, e-name, password ID, and e-salary. By combining these all, we can uh, we can get a composite key. Uh, we can use this composite key by differentiating all these employee names. So this is what the different types of keys. I hope all guys understand very well. Thank you.